How to connect any FasTrack Smartwatch to phone. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now to connect any FasTrack Smartwatch to phone, first of all launch the settings application on your device. As you launch the settings application, simply scroll down and tap on the options of Bluetooth over here. Now make sure that you have toggled on the Bluetooth option. So as you tap on the Bluetooth option, you can see there are different devices available. So just select and make sure that your smartwatch also has the Bluetooth toggled on, and after that you can select on the device over here. Now make sure that you start connecting over here on both your smartwatch and your device over here. And as you do that, just wait for a few seconds while it's connecting. So the connecting process needs to be stable over here. So just hold it close to your phone, and here you can see the smartwatch has been connected to your phone. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time.